Mini we're going to build is the roof. So let's go ahead and open the file that we had just created. Or of course you can follow along. I'm going to go to desktop, and this one is 0706 NURBS car in chapter 7. And there it is. Now, first thing I want to do is I'm going to hide a bunch of these curves. I like keeping the curves so I can rebuild parts of the model if I need them, but I don't want them cluttering up the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and select my model, go to curve, and then I'm just going to select all of these and then just hide them. Okay. Now this roof, we've got to kind of figure out a strategy for creating this roof. We've got, I'm sorry, I'm going to go over to my perspective window. And if you look at it, we've got kind of pretty much two straight lines here and then a curve. And then there's going to be another similar curve here along the roof line. And then if we look at it from the right view, then we want that same curve to sweep along. So I think we can do this with a U-loft. So the first thing I want to do is I want to get a curve here to kind of represent the back part of this roof line. So I'm going to just go ahead and extract an edge curve here from this back section. Right there. So I've got I'm going to go ahead and select this curve, and then oops. Let's go ahead and create another edge curve there. Sorry, I created the double one. There we go. And then just go ahead and select this curve, and I'm going to go ahead and convert it to a CV curve, and then I'm going to just give it 15, which is what it's going to default to. So now I have a CV curve that exactly matches the top edge of that roof. So I'm going to take this curve, and now we're going to start using it to sketch out the outline of the roof. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this curve. I'm going to copy it by rotating it. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and just rotate it somewhere around 90 degrees. Make it an independent copy, and then just move it up here to somewhere around the middle of the roof. It's not critical exactly being in the middle. Then I'm going to select my curve CVs, and I'm going to go ahead and scale it just to flatten them out so that I have, and no, I don't need to close that curve. So now I have a curve that's pretty much flat along one axis, and now need to sculpt this curve, but I need to unhide my back view, which is called plane. I think it was plane 04. So now I need to